You are trading presence for income without realizing you have another option. Most people believe earning requires showing up somewhere, at a specific time, under someone else's structure. That model forces a choice, income or availability, never both. But there is a third model, one that earns while you are unavailable, that continues to deliver value while you are focused elsewhere, that does not require real-time performance. It is called asynchronous income. And most people do not see it because they are looking for jobs, not systems. This shift is not about working less. It is about aligning output with availability. When you architect income that does not require your live presence, you stop sacrificing one resource to access another. You build leverage instead of trading hours. Here is what most people miss. Synchronous income requires coordination. You must be available when the income source needs you. Asynchronous income does not. It operates independently of your schedule. That distinction changes everything, because coordination is the hidden cost no one calculates. Every time you say yes to real-time work, you are locking in a dependency on their calendar, their urgency, their structure. You are not just agreeing to deliver, you are agreeing to be interruptible. An interruption is the most expensive resource leak in a home-based economy. Now look at the alternative. You build something once. A recorded training, a resource library, a templated system, a downloadable guide, a subscription service that does not require you to answer in real time. You front-load the effort. Then you detach from the delivery cycle. The income continues, your presence does not. This is not passive income. Passive income is a fantasy that sells courses. Asynchronous income is structural. You are still the creator, still the architect, but you are no longer the operator. You design the system runs the delivery. That is the distinction. Here is the pattern most people overlook. Synchronous work pays once, asynchronous work compounds. Because the same output can serve multiple people without requiring you to show up multiple times. That is leverage. And leverage is how you break the income ceiling without breaking your schedule. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. You are a home-based parent. You have expertise in meal planning, budget systems, homeschool structure, whatever your domain is. Traditional income would require you to consult, to coach, to be available for calls. That is synchronous. You trade time for payment. Asynchronous income would look different. You create a resource once, a planning template, a video walkthrough, a step-by-step system someone can follow without your live input. You sell access, not your time. The resource does the work. You remain available for your home. This is not theory. This is how digital products work. How membership sites work. How content libraries work. You build the infrastructure once, then you distribute it repeatedly. The income scales without requiring additional presence. That is the architecture. Now here is where most people stall. They think building asynchronous income requires technical expertise, or a large audience, or expensive tools. It does not. It requires clarity, a clear problem, a clear solution, a clear delivery method. If you can solve something once and document the process, you can monetize it asynchronously. The mistake is thinking you need a course platform, or a website, or a funnel. You do not. You need a Google Doc, a Notion page, a Canva template, a recorded Loom video, something reproducible, something deliverable, something that does not require you to be present when it is consumed. That is the minimum viable structure. Here is the shift. Stop asking what you can do for income. Start asking what you can build that works without you. That question changes your approach, because now you are not looking for clients. You are looking for systems, and systems do not require coordination. Let me give you a concrete example. You help people organize their digital files. Traditionally, you would offer a service. Someone hires you, you organize their files, you get paid once. That is synchronous. Now flip it. You create a file organization template with labeled folders, a naming system, a quick start guide. You sell the template for $20. Someone buys it. They implement it themselves. You are not involved in the implementation. That is asynchronous, same expertise. Different structure. One requires your time. The other does not. One scales linearly. The other scales infinitely. That is the economic difference. Now here is what makes this model powerful for home-based parents. You can build during nap time, during quiet hours, during fragmented availability, because asynchronous income does not require an interrupted focus. You are not on a call. You are not managing live delivery. You are creating something that will deliver itself later. That means you can work in short bursts and still build something that earns continuously. The key is repeatability. If you solve something once and 10 people need that solution, you do not solve it 10 times. You solve it once. Then you distribute the solution 10 times. That is the efficiency gain. And that efficiency is what creates margin in a constrained schedule. Here is the part most people underestimate. Asynchronous income is not about volume. It is about structure. You do not need 1,000 customers. You need a system that does not break when you are unavailable. That system might serve 5 people or 50. The number matters less than the independence. Because independence is what protects your presence. Let me show you the income recalibration. Traditional model, you work, you earn. You stop working, you stop earning. Asynchronous model. You build, you distribute, you detach. The distribution continues without you. That decoupling is a leverage point. Because now your income is not tied to your availability. It is tied to your output, and output can be front-loaded. This is how you stop choosing between income and presence. You separate earning from performing. You design systems that deliver value when you are not there. That is the architecture. And that architecture is what most people miss, because they are still looking for jobs, not systems. If you are interested in tools that support this kind of structure, there are resources that help. Digital planning systems, template libraries, Notion dashboards, simple tools that let you organize and distribute asynchronous income without needing advanced platforms. Check the description if you want to explore what works for home-based system building. The goal is not to replace all income with asynchronous streams. The goal is to build enough asynchronous income that your presence is no longer negotiable, that you can say no to coordination-heavy work, that you can protect your schedule without sacrificing stability. That is the shift. And here is the final insight. Asynchronous income does not require you to be impressive. It requires you to be clear. Clear about what you solve. Clear about how you solve it. Clear about how someone can access the solution without needing you live. That clarity is the foundation. Everything else is just distribution. You do not need a brand. You do not need a following. You need a system that works when you are not watching. That is the asset. And that asset is what gives you back your time without giving up your income. This is the model. Architect once. Distribute repeatedly. Detach from delivery. Protect your presence. That is how you build quiet income. Without sacrificing availability. Without coordinating in real time. Without trading one resource for another. Notice the shift. You are not looking for work. You are building infrastructure. And infrastructure earns while you are unavailable. That is the difference. That is the system. That is the asynchronous asset. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. Any strategies, tools, or income models discussed are examples and may not be suitable for all individuals or situations. Results vary based on effort, market conditions, and individual circumstances. Any product links shared are provided for reference and may generate affiliate income, no additional cost to you. Always conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before making financial or business decisions.